The winners of the Olympus Image of the Year Award 2021, a global photography competition showcasing the art of scientific imaging, have just been announced. Celebrating scientific photos taken with a microscope, the contest is filled with imagery that reveals a world hidden from the naked eye. Over 800 images taken with microscopes were submitted to the 2021 competition. This year's winner, Martinek, took this edition's top prize, thanks to his interesting look at a small flowering plant often used in genetic research. Martinek, a plant cell biologist from the Czech Republic, spends many hours looking at plants under a microscope. He takes the images he uses in his research and publishes them on social media for the enjoyment of the scientific community. Thanks to the Olympus Image of the Year Award, amazing pictures of this fascinating microcosm get worldwide attention, Martinek shared. Aside from the grand prize, regional winners from America, Europe, the Middle East, Africa, and Asia-Pacific were also recognized. And with photographers from 49 countries, there was plenty of global talent to reward. From a unique look at moss to the ovaries of a fruit fly, the subjects of the photographs demonstrate the artistic wonders hidden inside ordinary items. The winning images create a beautiful image gallery showcasing an incredible level of talent and technique at the microscope. The contest is run by Evident Life Science, formerly Olympus Scientific Solutions. The amazing images we see each year turn life under the microscope into unique art pieces, said Satoshi Nakamura, Vice President of Scientific Solutions Global Marketing at the company. The close-up images of the natural world images create a beautiful image gallery that blends artistic creativity and science. Thank you for watching. And please, don't forget to subscribe.